arrows. Here you will find a collection of arrows for every case. Run any command and set parameters. S. Set text style. L. Set layer. H. Set text height. R. Set text rotation. Pick point to start arrow and follow prompts. Type your text. Or press return and escape to select text from a dialog. Names and button icon refer to arrow type. Filled arrow. Arc arrow. Dot arrow. Wide angle arrow. Curved arrow. Open head arrow. Zigzag arrow. Multi-arc arrow. Leader with circle. Arc arrow with circle. Wide angle arrow with circle. Arrow text. Multi-arrows. Stair arrow. Stair arrow. Arrow at end point. Arrow at midpoint. Coordinates.